The Kemroc Chain Cutter is a highly efficient and powerful tree cutting machine that is designed to make the process of cutting down trees quick and easy. It is equipped with a powerful engine that provides enough power to cut through even the toughest of woods. The machine's design also includes a unique cutting system that utilizes a chainsaw mechanism to make precise cuts on the tree trunk. The chain cutter's design is also equipped with a special cutting head that can be adjusted to different angles, allowing for cutting in hard-to-reach areas. It also features an automatic lubrication system that keeps the chain and guide bar lubricated to ensure smooth operation and prolong the life of the cutting system. Additionally, the machine has a compact and durable design with a low center of gravity that makes it stable and easy to maneuver.